Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Tuesday's Daily Financial Digest.
The price of gold has lost 0.3% in the last session. The RSI shifted into the neutral area. The euro-dollar pair has gained 0.3% in the last session. The highs-lows indicator is warming up and is now giving a positive signal. The sterling-dollar pair has fallen 0.1% in the last session. The highs-lows indicator has bounced upwards into the neutral area. The Aussie-dollar pair has remained muted in the last session. The ROC has transitioned sharply into the positive area.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
Global equities gained and safe haven assets such as U.S. Treasuries rallied as investors weighed rising coronavirus cases in Europe against a break in the recent run-up of bond yields. As Bitcoin continues to grow beyond expectations, traditional financial institutions continue to seek ways to allow their customers access to this lucrative market. The latest to join the trend is Morgan Stanley. Tencent Music Entertainment Group and Warner Music signed an expanded multi-year strategic licensing agreement and agreed to establish a joint venture music label in China.
Coming up, our chief analyst's choices for today.
Japan's BOJ monetary policy meeting minutes will be released at 2350 GMT. The UK's claimant count change at 700 GMT. Australia's Commonwealth Bank Services PMI at 2200 GMT. The UK's ILO unemployment rate will be released at 700 GMT, Italy's industrial sales at 900 GMT, Italy's industrial orders at 900 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.